What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be changing the color of the brakes on my WRX.
No more red, we're gonna make them silver.
Yeah, today we're using dulpi color caliper paint. I heard it's got high reviews. We're gonna do silver.
It's not a spray paint actually. It comes in this can and they give you a little brush. So it's not gonna be a regular spray paint. Some people, what did they say? They like it?
Yeah, and I think it sticks better for longevity.
Yeah, and plus it's not gonna go all over the overspray.
So you don't have to cover it up or overspray or anything. It's probably easier. The only thing that's different is you have to let it dry for longer. That's the only thing that's not as good as the spray paint.
Spray paint dries faster.
So we're gonna be having it jacked up like this for till tomorrow.
Probably till tomorrow, overnight.
Yeah, overnight.
We're gonna jack the car up right now. We've got it like half jacked up right now. Then we're gonna break the lugs, take the wheels off, and then we're gonna start spraying. We're not spraying, brushing.
Brushing. Oh, doctor! First time they're off gains, boy! Let's go!
Oh, yo, the old stockies, boy! Ooh. Damn, these ugly. It's not ugly, but it's kind of rusting and feeding away all this caliper. So we're gonna fix that.
Alrighty, so I'm sanding down the red off the car, as you can see, using a 400 grit. That's what they recommend. And so I'm just gonna do this, slap them all, and after that, then we're gonna slap it with the paint. A stroke of paint, boy.
Oh, that goes on nice.
Yeah.
They call me Vincent Van Gogh.
Alright, what's going on over here?
Sanding it down, dog. Got down to the silver. You get most of like the. What am I saying? Get as most.
Dude, that's plenty.
As we can.
That's plenty. Yeah.
That's good. I'm gonna try to work over here. And
No,
over
that's
here.
good enough, I think. Honestly, that's a lot.
I focused right here. I'm gonna go on this side.
Focus, ST?
What? What the?
What?
Is there another person here?
What?
Focus ST.
What is that over there?
What's Kyle doing? Go check him out.
What is that?
See if Kyle's doing his job.
Hey, what are you doing over here?
Painting nails.
Painting nails. That's right, boy. Looking nice, looking snazzy.
What can I say? Look at that.
It's actually coming out great.
It dries super quick.
Good.
It's a little weird, but I don't know.
Alright, word up. We'll check back in a few.
Yo, update.
Alright, you guys, a little update. We got 3 of them done. This is the last one. He's working on it right now. And they're actually coming out really good. This is just the first coat. I was going to do another one. If we have to, we'll do 3. But I think we'll be okay with 2. I'll show you guys what they look like so far. They look really good. Nice, shiny silver. Instead of, I don't know, I wasn't a fan of the red, and plus it was also chipping. So now, look at that, more clean, and it's still not OEM looking, because OEM is gray, and it's a nice silver. I like it, it's nice. And overall, this kit I bought,
I like the brush.
yeah, the brush is nice.
Yeah.
Overall, the kit so far is good.
Coming out fire.
Yeah.
I guess we'll update you guys next coat.
Alright. Alrighty, 2 coats done. I think 1 more to go and that's it. I think. Right?
Yeah,
what do you think?
We got the second coat's already finished. Looking fire. Got all the red gone. No more red, it's all silver. Here, let me show them.
Looks fantastic.
Get down, nice angle for you guys. Let me get the flashlight on. No more red. Probably 1 more coat.
Yeah.
Just there's like small red spots, but Yeah,
Also,
crazy.
just for a little bit for durability, also.
Yeah, yo, show them what it looks like with the wheel on.
Yeah,
Well, not on, but
obviously not on. Just hold it up. Yeah, hold it up over here. There it is. Looks good.
yeah, nice silver.
It looks good with the wheels.
For sure.
Yep, it's a lot cleaner. More. I don't
looks
know.
better
It
in
just looks
general.
better. I don't know.
I don't know.
One more coat and that'll be it.
Yeah, I like the brush actually better than the spray.
Yeah, yeah. And it surprisingly, I didn't think. I thought it was gonna be a pain with drying. It actually dries really fast, you know.
Yeah, not bad. So yeah, it's the second coat done, and then possibly third one. That's it.
Alrighty, guys, that's a wrap up. Honestly, true opinion.
This stuff's fire.
It's
This stuff's fire.
amazing.
I recommend the brush honestly.
Way better than the spray paint. This brand also makes a spray paint. I know other people do that. I know it's cheaper. I don't know. Some people may think it's easier. It dries faster and everything. But this is more accurate. You get all the
The
specs.
spray paint does dry faster, but you also have to mask everything off because it goes everywhere. The brush, who cares? Takes a little longer to dry. We're leaving it overnight. We did 3 coats. There's no more red at all, and you know you don't have to mask anything off. We didn't hit anything. You go with the brush, you get everything. So.
And it's good. It comes with a cleaner too. The whole kit is $25. I recommend it.
Yep.
Once again, it's the dupla color. It's called.
Dupla color. See if they could see it. Let's get good lighting. Let's get good lighting. There we go. Dupla color, caliper paint, and it's not the. Remember, they make this also in the
Spray.
spray. Yeah. We got the paint. Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I see it? Not really. Hold on. Hold this, Tom. Alrighty, let's zoom in. Focus. Yep. Comes in this little can, and there's a bunch more paint left that we're just gonna save.
Yeah. I guess we'll have enough if dude, it's gonna last for a year at least, 2 years. Who knows?
It's not coming off really, so we're
And
just gonna
so we
save
might
it.
use it. Kyle, who was here, shout out to you for coming to help out.
Yes,
Once again,
sir.
you're the homie. Yeah,
You might-
maybe we'll use it on his car. or
Yeah,
something.
could always use it on another car, but
Yeah.
it is done. I'm gonna do a little montage of the calipers just for you guys to see how far they came out. They are drying right now, and we're gonna leave it on the jack stands overnight. Hope to see you guys again soon. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Almost, we're at 309 right now. My goal is to hit 1,000 before September, and right now it is June 7th. Let's get it. See you guys again soon. Peace.